In this video, we are going to show you how to adjust contour hardware on a Series 5000 window. In this example, the lever that engages and releases the multi-point locking system is demonstrating too much resistance and needs to be adjusted for smooth operation. Begin by identifying the keeper located inside the vent jamb. The keeper will have a notch that acts as a visual guide. If this notch is facing toward the exterior side of the window, this indicates the window is at maximum compression. In order to make this adjustment, you will need a 5/32 Allen wrench. In this example, the keeper is turned counterclockwise an eighth of a turn in order to release pressure and allow the lever to open and close more smoothly. Once the adjustment is made, close the window and check the fluidity of the handle movement. Finally, check for proper compression at various points around the window by opening the window slightly, inserting a piece of paper, then closing and locking the window. If compression is still acceptable, the paper should have resistance to being pulled out. We hope this video was helpful. Should you need further assistance with your 5000 series window, please do not hesitate to contact us.